never done such a dark eyeshadow look, but I'm in love. Like, this is so pretty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this black smoky eyeshadow look, which I think is perfect for the holidays. Before we jump into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and let's go. First, by doing my eyebrows, So first I take this spray, I take the Got2b glue spray, I'll spray it on my brush. And then I use that to like gel my eyebrows because I feel like it works the best. I like using the Makeup Forever concealer to conceal my eyebrows. This shade is really light, so I don't like to use a lot of it. Just a little bit goes a long way. So I'll take a little bit of concealer. Bring this really light concealer all the way down my eyelids when I'm blending it out. Take the fancy concealer so that I can blend out that light concealer. I'm just gonna put that on my hand. I'm gonna go into that shade and just pat that color on my eyelid. Right here. Just pat it off it in here. Then I'm going to go in with this brush, just blend it out. Then I'm going to take this darker brown and apply it in the exact same area, but just lower this time. So I'm going to go back with this brush, take that color and just So now I'm just patting a black eyeshadow on top of my eyeliner so I could blend it out and make it like So I'm gonna take this, blend it outwards. Just because it's gonna give me like that lifted cat eye look and it's still smoky. Remove the tape, I wanna see how it looks like. Okay, so I'm done with doing my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply my lashes. I'll apply my lashes to get the lash. To get as close as to my natural lashes. Okay, now that we're done with the eye look, I'm gonna move on to the base. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my face. Now that I'm done priming my face, I'm just gonna move on to my foundation. So I'm gonna be using the Fenty foundation. I'm gonna take a flat brush just to apply that foundation everywhere. So I'm taking a flat brush and just spreading the applying it out, I guess. Applying the foundation. Just gonna take a beauty blender and just blend that out. Foundation kind of dries matte really quick, so you have to make sure you blend it out. Dries. Just place stick foundation to contour my face. That right here. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Concealer to conceal under my eye. blend this one. I'm gonna blend this out. Ooh, we don't use that. Okay, so I'm gonna go blend this out first. I've noticed I don't really talk that much when I'm doing my makeup, cause like I don't really know what to say. Like, I'm just gonna show you guys what to do. I feel like I should start talking more in my makeup videos. Like, let me know if you guys want that. Like, if you guys like the fact that I'm just quiet, or if you guys want me to talk in my videos. Just using the sponge to blend the concealer out. Using the fancy concealer. So now that I'm done concealing, I'm just gonna take a sponge and make sure that everything's blended out. And now that everything's blended out, I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place powder. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. So I'm just gonna take powder on the brush and then just okay, so now I'm just gonna take the sponge, apply a little bit of powder, and bake. So I'm gonna just applying the powder. I'm gonna try to blend it into my skin, pressing the powder down into my skin right now. And I like doing this because I feel like it just makes my powder look less cakey. Take the brush. Why did I say brush? I don't know why I just said brush. Take the powder, I just applied it on, and now I'm just brushing it off. With the eyes, I'm going to be moving on to the lips. I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner. It's like my favorite lip liner. Anyway, so I'm going to be using my MAC lip liner. I'm just going to start lining on this. Finished lining my lips, and I'm going to be using this lipstick. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how I achieved this look. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button down below and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.